Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install MS4W on Windows. So let's start. The first step is to open the official site of MS4W, that is ms4w.com. So here is the site. What we have to do is click on the download packages link, which is available in the about MS4W section. You have to click on that link. So after download packages, this will appear, and here the link is given for downloading the setup of MS4W. Here the link is available. So as you will click the link, the setup for MS4W will be downloaded on your system. So here is the setup. When you'll open it, a set of terms and conditions will appear, which you obviously have to agree. You can download either the GeoMoose package or the Map Bender package. I am downloading the Map Bender package. You have to check it and then click the next button. The root of the package can be saved in C drive or D drive. I will be saving it in the C drive. And the installation starts. It takes time. So the installation is about to finish, and it is. There will be two files saved on your desktop: MS4W localhost and MS4W shell. First, we'll have to open MS4W localhost. At the bottom of the page, there will be a link named Map Bender Demo Applications. Here is the link. You'll have to open, and a list of demo applications of Map Bender will appear. So here is the list. You can choose any of them and open any of the application. I'll open and show you the second application. So here is the application. You can see the map right here. So this work is completed here. Now we'll move to MS4W shell. MS4W shell will give you instructions to execute the program. You'll have to type here map serv, not server, it's serv space hyphen and v without space. Press and enter after that, and a set of instructions will be available here. After seeing them, You can exit by typing exit here. Wait, I'll show you. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in our next video.